Yine dol bitecek.
Never catch me alive! Okay, I think I'm fine. Let's go to see how to get back to America. Okay, this time I gotta look both ways before crossing the street. See? Very distinguished gentleman behavior. Alright, let's go. See? No cars can hit me. See? Perfect timing. Oh wait, what is that? Okay, I think it's gonna fine. Alright, let's go back. 5 hours later. Alright, Donald Trump back here. We are in the subway going back to America. And it's coming soon, so let's hop on.